Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we are seeing handling JavaScript alerts in Selenium. In our previous video, we have seen that what is an alert, handling alerts using example. In this video, we will see instead of writing a big code and how you will handle writing helper methods in a framework level. Before watching this video, I'll recommend please watch previous video for better understanding. So let's flip to Eclipse. And in our previous video, we have seen that all these things. So instead of writing something like that, we will see how to write an helper methods and how to call those methods in your normal script. For this, what I'll do, I'll create some methods. Public, static, void, alert, accept. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll create an object to this. And then alt dot accept simply. Okay, and the same way I will write, otherwise I will say alert OK. Click alert OK. And the same way I will write one more, click alert cancel, and here I'll mention dismiss. And I have one more thing, that enter into alert. Here I will say send keys. Here you will have to mention string value as a parameter, which information you want to pass to that. Okay, and we have one more option that we forgot to discuss in the previous video. I want to get the text of the alert. Get alert text, and it will return string for us. Okay, instead of void, it will string. Now return alert dot get text. It will give you the text. Now we will use all these methods and we'll see how it will work. Now I'll remove these comments. I just removed all the comments. Now what I'll do, instead of writing alert or something like that, what I'll do, here I will say click alert OK. Simply I'll say click alert OK, and I'll wait for some time and we'll see. When I say this one and I want to dismiss, right? For dismiss, what I will do, click alert cancel. Okay, after that I'll take a pause here for once again 5 seconds, and what I will do, here I'll click, and instead of send keys, I'll say enter into alert. I'll simply write Selenium, and I'll give some pause here, and here what I will do, string alert text equaled get alert text. Now I will print that information. The alert text is, I will simply print alt text. Okay, and we will see how it will work now. I made it a bit simpler code. Okay, run as Java application. If you click on that, and it will click OK, and it will wait for the 5 seconds, and it will perform the second option. You see that now it will click on cancel. You see you press cancel is coming here, and now it will enter something into this Selenium, and it will give you 5 seconds time, and it will print whatever information inside this JavaScript. I think it will print please enter your name. So we'll go to the Eclipse and we'll see. You see that please enter your name. The alert text is please enter your name. This way you can get the text of the alert also. Now I have written all these methods inside the same class. When you building the framework, you can put it your other classes like helper methods, but wherever you want. For the sake of example, I just mention all these methods inside the same class. You can move it to some other class also. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like us on our Facebook page, and please subscribe to YouTube channel, and please do comment.